Given the arrangement of atoms in crystallographic plane, which plane correctly represents the adjacent drawn structures? Phase plane in FCC structure, body diagonal plane in FCC, phase plane BCC, body diagonal plane BCC. Means we have to know in FCC where the atoms are present, BCC where the atoms are present. Then we can correlate the structure which is given along with the FCC and BCC structure for us now. Let us take, first of all, say FCC structure. If you see FCC, atoms are at corners and phase centers. Means like this, all the corners and phase centers also. The front phase center you have now, like that. Implies the phase plane, this can be taken as a phase plane now. The phase plane contains the structure which is given now. Therefore, the phase plane of FCC, this plane if you see, it is having atoms like this. One atom here, one here, one here, one here, and one here it has. Now when you take the body diagonal plane of FCC, FCC means corners you have and phase centers. We don't have in the body center there now. This is not there. Therefore, body diagonal plane of FCC, so cannot have structure like this. The plane cannot have like this. Not possible. This structure is not possible for body diagonal plane. Next. Now when you take body centered structure, body center one, atoms are at corners and body center. Body center. So we can take all corners here, all corners, and one in the middle, body center. Means the body diagonal, this is called body diagonal plane, this plane. So the body diagonal plane has this structure. That is atoms like this, in this way we have. This type of structure is there. Compare this to this plane now. But when you take the phase plane here now, phase plane of BCC, body centered one. So you have only in the corners atoms are there. Atoms in the corners and one in the middle of the body. So the phase plane, if you see, the phase plane of BCC has 4 atoms only. Like this it has this structure. But not in the middle one now. So therefore now you can say answers are A and D. A and D are the answers.